Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to stop your YouTube watch history. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to watch videos without it being saved to history. So, let's get started. First, open YouTube, and once you're here, tap on Library at the bottom right corner, which is right here. Okay, now tap on View All, and then tap on the three dots at the very top right. It's right here. Tap on that and pause watch history. It's this simple. Now just tap on pause. It's gonna say pausing YouTube watch history can make it harder to find videos you watch, and you may see fewer recommendations for new videos in YouTube and other Google products. What this means is that you're gonna ruin the algorithm that they're giving you. Basically, if you find something interesting, if you don't, YouTube's gonna recommend it to you. But if you do pause watch history, then they won't be able to recommend you anything that you might like. So it's really your choice. It's this simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.